Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to discuss questions on English comprehension. Right friends? So we will move further. You can download here the Hindu short notes PDF on daily basis from our Telegram channel. Right? So we will move further here. You can see the contact number here. You can join this number for the answer writing initiatives. Right friends, so answer writing initiatives program has been started here, so you can join there for improving your answer writing on daily basis. Right friends, and the answer will be personally checked. Right friends, next here you can see you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe the blogs for getting an interesting articles related to personality development and related to UPSC aspect actual as well. Right friends, so you can join here our Telegram channel for getting various kind of PDFs. So this is an open challenge for all students from all over India, those who are preparing for UPSC, especially those who will follow our strategy. They are going to clear 100% CSAT paper. Right friends, they are going to 100% clearing the CSAT paper. They will never fail in CSAT. Right friends, so this is our challenge, practice with SSPS sir. So today we are practicing with English comprehension, and we have given two videos on it before itself. One is on introductory lecture and the second one is question practice on this, and this is the third video which we are providing on the English questions itself. Okay friends, so from now we will little bit speed up our lecture delivering. Right friends, so next we see further. So here is your passage, so pause the video and try to read this. Right friends, so let me read out this passage for you. Here, the concept of creative society refers to a phase of development of society in which a large number of potential contradictions become articulate and active. This is most evident when oppressed social groups get politically mobilized and demand their rights. The upsurge of the peasants and tribals, the movements of regional autonomy and self-determination, the environmental movement, and the women's movement in the developing countries are a sign of emergence of creative society in the contemporary times. The forms of social movement and their intensity may vary from country to country, place to place, and within the country. But the very presence of movement of social transformation in various spheres of society indicates the emergence of creative society in the country. Right friends, so I hope you understood the passage. So first of all we are taking a very little bit small passages itself, because to get practice by the things, right? So within few lectures we will develop the questions. We will move for the longer type of questions. So here you should mark the note the very much keywords, right friends? So what are the important, very much important keywords are? So first of all here it is your creative society. Right friends, first of all it says about the creative society, and is there any second thing, that is movement. You can see about the, there is movements for regional autonomy and self-determination, so you can refer only the movement as a keyword. Right friends, so we move further. So I hope you understood the passage. If you have any doubt, so let me know in the comment section. So if you are not what, even if you face a single problem, please let me know in the comment sections. Right friends, so our team will be supporting you. Next we move further. Here you can see the questions. First question is, what what does the author implies by creative society? So first of all we noted the creative society as an keyword, and here the first question comes from that itself. So we will move forward. Now let us see the options as well. So what are the options which are provided to you? Option number 1, a society where diverse art forms and literary writing seeks incentives. So first of all, let me remind you that in our passage there is no discussion about any sort of art forms and literary writings and any sort of incentives for these. So first statement, as soon as you see this statement, you can just strike it off. So by this, your option number A will be gone here, right? So next you have option number 2, 3 and 4. So let us move. So here you can see from these statements, you can easily see that your statement number 4 is the correct statement, because statement number 4 is present in every statement. So only 4 might be the right answer, only 3, 4 might be the right answer, or only 2 and 4 might be the right answer, right friends? So we should see about the only 2 and 3. So we will read that a society where social inequalities are accepted as the norms. Next, third statement says a society where a large number of contradictions are recognized. Yes friends, whenever the policies are going on, so then the contradictions will become an active, right friends? So for this reason, the option number 3 will be the right. So here option number C will be the right answer, that is 3 and 4 will be the right answer, and the second statement will goes wrong on the basis of where the society is inequality are accepted. So do you think inequalities will be accepted in any norms? No. So for this reason, second option will goes wrong. So now let us see about the third statement in the passage, right friends? Contradictions are recognized. So let us see. So let us see there. Let me take you to there. This is a passage. So can you see this here? Let me highlight this. Society in which large number of potential contradictions become articulate and active, right friends? So creative society refers to phases of development of society in which a large number of potential contradictions becomes articulate and active. So by this, our first here for the first question, the answer C will be the right answer. Next we move for the second question, that is what according to the passage are manifestations of the social movements. So option number A comes aggressiveness and being incendiary. So you have never seen the aggressiveness in this passage, so outrightly you can strike this as well, right? Next we see second statement, that is instigations by external forces. Do you saw any external forces in this? No, never you have saw. So you can strike out of the second statement as well. So you have left with 3 and 4. So wherever you goes 1, so here you have 1, so you can strike it off. So you have 2 option here, so you can strike it off. Here also you have 1 and 2, you can strike it off. Just you can mark the 3 and 4 as your right answer. I hope friends how to detect the wrong answer, right friends? So I hope you got this technique right now. So if you follow this technique, you will clear 100% CSAT. Why only CSAT? This technique will work as well as for prelims GS1 also, not prelims, there is prelims paper also. Sorry, but why I am not saying for prelims paper 1, because there we are not there we are not covering yet whole syllabus, right friends? We are covering part of that, but we are not being whole. So we will come to that also as soon as possible, right friends? So please be stay tuned for this. So now let us see about the option number 3 and 4, that is quiz for social equality and individual freedom. This is the option number 3 and 4, urging for granting privileges and self-respect to the disparaged section of the society. So quiz for social inequalities and individual freedom. So first of all, they are seeking for individual freedom, friends. So let us see about the where the individual freedom is located here. So friends, can you see here? There is, let me take marker, right friends. So can you see this? The movements of religion autonomy and self-determination, the environmental movement and the women's movement in the developing countries are sign of emergence of creative society in contemporary times. So what it is talking about, first of all, it is talking about regional autonomy, right friends. Here it is talking about regional autonomy, right, and self-determination. Regional autonomy and self-determination, it talks about the freedom, right friends, freedom. So this is your third option, individual and inequality, freedom, right. Next, urging the privilege and the self-respect. So here it talks about the women movement in developing countries and for emerging of the creative society of the contemporary times. So here it is your contemporary, creative society. So you can see here the creative society, the phase of development in the large number of potential contradictions become articulate and active. That means public participation is becoming inactive, that is it is becoming active day by day. So for this reason, option number 3 and 4 will be the right answer. So option number 4 will be the right answer. If you don't want to waste this much of time, so you can just go by the analytical way and the elimination way, right friends. So you can clear this 100% for sure, right. We move for the next question, that is last question of this lecture, that is with reference to the passage consider the following statement. So you have to answer this question according to the passage itself. Next, option number 1, to be a creative society it is essential to have a variety of social movement. Next, to be a creative society it is imperative to have potential contradictions and conflicts. Yes, these both the statements are correct obviously, because this is a direct question, there is no analytical in this, so no need of elimination method as well, right friends. Why I am saying direct, just now we saw that it is essential to have a variety of social movements. Let me show you once. So can you see this friends? See the, but the very presence of movements of social transformation in various spheres of the society indicates the emergence of creative society. So wherever you see the presence of the movement of social transformation, you will see the creative society there, right. So by this reason our first statement goes right. The second statement says to be creative society it is imperative to have a potential contradiction and conflicts. Yes, this is always correct, because here it is given in the first statement which we have highlighted in the first sense. See here, contradictory creative society refers to the phase of development of society in which a large number of potential contradictions and become articulate and active. So what does the articulate means? To speak, right friends. It can be able to speak, and active, become an active, that is poor mobilized will speak at that moment. When the movements will take, then the poor mobilized sections will be can easily speak, so right friends. So for this reason the answer of this question will become the answer C, that is both 1 and 2, right friends. So we will come with next videos and question and answers in, and now we will develop little bit the higher passages friends, right, little bit longer passages, right friends. So till then, enjoy this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment sections, then only I can solve your problems, or else I can't do, I'm helpless at every corner, right friends. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS and do as much as possible with your friends, right friends. Thank you very much, have a great day.